Okay, you're going to start with 2 sweet potatoes. We're going to boil these until they are tender. Okay, let's throw these in. We're going to boil these. Get them nice and tender before we start. So for the romesco sauce, we're going to start with charred bell pepper. Going to get these nice and charred. Peel off the skin and I will show you how easy it is to make the sauce. Okay, when they cool down, you're going to peel these guys. And you're going to put them into the potato ricer. Squish them out. Okay, we're going to blend this with about 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan. And you don't want to overmix this so it doesn't get hard and doughy. You want this to be nice and light and fluffy. We're going to refrigerate this for about 10 minutes and let it just set before we roll these out. So I'm just going to take small pieces here, roll them in my hands. I'm not going for any specific shape because we are going to take these and roll them over a fork to create those ridges that you see in gnocchis that hold the sauce onto it. So really casually just grab a little piece and roll it into a small ball. Okay, we're done with the balls and we're just going to slide it over the fork so that you get those ridges. Again, nothing intense, just softly roll it over. It doesn't matter what the shape ends up being. You just want something that will grab the sauce. All right, we've got a pot of boiling water. I've added a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to start to throw our little gnocchis in. About 20 to 30 at a time, depends on how big your pot is. You want there to be lots of room for the boiling to occur. You don't want to overcrowd these guys. They'll break up, and also you don't want to reduce the heat. So once you see that the boiling water has started to simmer, you want to stop adding more and just let these boil in that water. When they rise to the top, you know they're done. And then you just scoop them out. So it'll take you about 2 or 3 batches to get these done. Just be very gentle with these. You don't want to break them. And when they rise to the top, take them out with a slotted spoon and we'll hold on to the water for the sauce. These have cooled, so we're going to peel these. I want to keep some of the charred. I don't want to wash these because you want some of that charred flavor. Just want to let them cool and just peel off all of the char. Go ahead and throw both of those in. We're gonna throw all of the onions and the roasted garlic, all of that in. 1 spoon of tomato paste, about half a cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. We're gonna do this. This is the magic of the most amazing romesco sauce. The zest of 1 orange and the juice of the orange. The juice of the orange. All blended up and just delicious. All right, for the sauce, we're going to start with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We're going to throw in about 1 cup of frozen spinach and let that start to kind of simmer, break down. Add in a spoon of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Not doing overly heavy stuff with the spices, but if you like to add something a little extra, you can do some Italian seasonings. We'll add in about half a cup of sliced olives, your favorite kind, and then throw in 3 to 4 good chunky spoons of the sauce. And we're just going to let this all simmer and heat through. Nothing really needs to cook. The spinach is frozen, so it doesn't really have a lot to do other than thaw and heat up. The sauce, the olives, and everything just add a lot of flavor. Throw in your gnocchi and in the ratio that suits your palate. Stir it around, heat it through, and it is ready to serve. I served it with sliced almonds. And just to continue that theme of almonds in the sauce. And then you can sprinkle a little bit of fresh olive oil on top if you have some good quality olive oil, or just eat it as is if you are oil free. Enjoy, and please let me know what you think. Thank you.